We're at Porsche of Ocala. Today is Porsche's 70th anniversary. It's Sports Car Together Day. We have tons of people out here with their Porsches, from classics to moderns to antiques to the hottest and latest Porsches. Everyone's out here having a great time. We have kids, food, games. Sports Car Together Day. It's going to be huge. It's all happening at the same time all over the world. Porsche's 70th anniversary. This is huge. We're sharing a lot of history, memories, emotions, and it's just time to have fun today.
I love the look of this car, so I bought the kit in 1987.
Oh, okay.
I had the car underneath and did some modifications to the frame in 1986. I completed building this in 2011.
Oh, wow.
25 years.
25 years it took to build this beauty.
Yeah.
Now, could you tell us the color of this vehicle?
This is a 1985 General Motors color. Porsche does not have this color. They didn't have it till the 60s, and it's not quite the same. They had a darker blue color when this car was originally built by Porsche. I picked it because the original color of the gel coating on the fiberglass body on this was black, and it sat for so long, 25 years, that it started to crack, and the paint deteriorated. So I had to pick a light color. So I came across this color and I loved it.